What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Zay. And if you don't say the day, then you ain't part of the gang, man. On forward down. So check it, man. Today is a video y'all been waiting for, man. I've been doing my little builds. Right now, this is my Glock 43 P80 I've been working on. Got the rails installed, got the channel, everything, right? Just missing my mag release and all my lower parts kit, upper parts kit. But I've been looking for a slide, man. And I seen some of y'all, I told y'all to drop where I can get a 48 or a 43 slide. I seen some of y'all dropping them different places I can grab a slide from. So I ended up getting me a slide off none other than eBay. Got my eBay slide right here. Let me go ahead and open this. I want y'all to see my address. I need to grab some. Okay, I just rip it open. Rip it open. Boom. Give me that. Open this up. Ooh. Ooh. How that thing come? Bam! True precision slide. Yeah. Glock 43 true precision slide. That motherfucker. Look how it come. Look at the unboxing. Like, I'll buy this if I seen this on the shelf. You gonna open it up and see how you bumming. How they bumming. Ooh, you hear that? Look. How you bumming? Oh, how you bumming? All right, I get a little true precision sticker since 2016. What else? I get true precision card. Let you know that you can go to their site, buy slides off of their site. Any upper parts kits, lower parts kits, they got all that on their site. And I got none other than bam, Glock 43 slide, brand new, cut for RMR. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put like a SIG Romeo on here to make sure it's the same size. But bam, Glock 43 slide. Look at that boy. Ported slide. Oh man, this thing looks sexy. I've been looking for one of these for the longest. It come with the slide, the cover plate and everything on it. No, I ain't got the spring and all that, but we gonna test fit this, see if it fits directly on these rails. And it's looking good so far. Yes. Oh yeah. When I finish that thing gonna be beautiful. Hold on. Let me show you guys how when I line it up. Lining up. Just imagine that. Bam. Yeah, that thing gonna be beautiful. I already got my Glock 19 Gen 3 completed. This is Glock 19 Gen 3 FDE with a Holliston 507C, TLR Streamlight TLR 8, a Spike Tack through +5 base plate. And we in the game. You in the game. You see me? Now I'm about to have this second build done. I already got a mag for the 43, 6-round mag. I already have ammunition in it. I'm not gonna put it in there, even though I don't have no type of firing pin. I already ordered my upper parts kit, and it looks like it comes with a channel liner. Let me look at that one more time. Oh no channel liner. But yeah, actually, it do look like it's a channel line in there. It is a channel line in there. But yeah. True precision slide. That black. I already had an FDE gun, a gun that was FDE. So I wanted to put make this one motherfucking, excuse my language, but all black. I needed all black. Probably made it. Oh, in the future, I like this slide, and I'm shooting to grab something better for EDC. So right now I'm carrying my Glock 19 Gen 3 P80 build. I put thousands. I ain't gonna say thousands, close to 1,000. I put a lot of rounds down range with this firearm here, and obviously it hasn't failed yet. I haven't had no failure to eject. I haven't had no problems with the slide, anything. So I've been carrying this as my EDC so far. One thing I want to say, I do look forward to getting a actual slide, a serialized lower. I want to get a Glock 43X lower to complement this slide, man. I think a Glock 43X lower will be better. Then I could turn this build into something else once those 43 slides are, readily available. But also, yeah, I'm thinking, I do want a 43X slide. Lower, because the 43 only holds 6. 6 rounds is enough to take down a threat. But the more the merrier. That's what I say. The more the merrier. It's better to have it than not have it when you need it. So I'm thinking about going ahead and grabbing me a 43X lower and throwing this slide on top of it, and then grabbing a regular, slide that's not ported, don't have no vents and all that on it, to run on this platform, on this lower, this P80 lower. Yeah. But yeah, that was my unboxing of the True Precision Glock 43X slide. It's gonna be a mean build, man. It's gonna be a mean build. I'm liking that. It just look good in here. But yeah, man, I want y'all to stick around with me, man. I know I'm trying to stay, consistent with the videos and the content. Remember, this is not just a gun channel. This is a channel about my life. This is Zari TV. I'm trying to bring you guys great content. You guys just stick with me. We're on the road to 1,000 followers right now. I'm at 687 followers right now with subscribers. So please share my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. And it's your boy Zay. And if you ain't say the day, then you ain't part of the gang. On phone now.